This next song is off of my new CD, and the song I wrote in Japan as well. I was in Tokyo, and I had day off, so I went to Shinjuku Gyoen, and I decided to just relax and watch all the people play around, the little keikis. Oh, arigato. All the little keikis. And I just thought it was a beautiful day because all the little children running around in the park, eating ice cream, laughing, and it made me think, wow, such a beautiful day. And that's what the title of this song is. Kupono means my perfect day.
新宿御苑にネイサンさんが行かれた時に素敵な休日の様子をね歌にされたということで、はい、それをね今から田中新先生が踊ってくださいます。皆さん拍手でよろしくお願いします。
Shin Sensei will help me tell the story of Kupono. This guy is a freaking awesome hula dancer.完璧な一日っていうね、とても素敵